ready for the next two companies? Please welcome the companies and their judge, Dr. Ronen Kreizman, VP of Business Development, Life Science at Yeda Research and Development. I would like to welcome the first company, Josef Melchner, CEO of GoSmart.
Hi, my name is Josef Melchner and I'm the CEO of GoSmart Precision Farming. Our vision is to streamline and automate fish farming, becoming the biggest multifunctional data source for the industry. In simple words, we are turning blind farmers into informative farmers. But before I elaborate more about our cutting-edge solution, please let me give you a short brief about the market. The world is facing a protein production crisis as the current sources such as the red meat and others are causing pollution and are not sustainable. On the other hand, aquaculture is building its way to become a leading sustainable source of protein. As of today, aquaculture is a $300 billion market with annual growth of $10 billion, which makes it the fastest growing food production sector. With that said, it is a very traditional sector, with minimal technological means for the farmer to evaluate performances. Even most critical information such as stock performance are hard to retrieve and expensive task. Therefore, farmers are using forecast formulation and prediction in order to evaluate somehow their performances. Our solution is end-to-end one, suitable for all aquaculture operation, revealing some of the most important and critical unknown information such as average fish weight, oxygen levels, water quality, and live video streaming. Our product is a standalone, stationary, add-on system. Consists of three parts. We have the subsea unit, we have the communication and energy unit, and we have the online managing software, which is available on the cloud 24/7. We have already integrated extra hardware to support our future features in our pipeline, which will focus on fish behavior and the improvement of fish welfare. The algorithm we have developed applies with all types of species, and major species have already been implemented. GoSmart is a service company. Our business model is SaaS and enable the farmer to build his database without the necessity of large capital investment. From our side, it gives us the ability to enhance system performance and building new and better practices for the industry. Our approach, goal, and performance are in line with the ESG and SDG standards and support responsible global positive change and impact. We are asked for $5 million to enable us to accelerate and to increase our deployment, global deployment for thousands of units in the next 3 years, which will generate high revenue for the company, but moreover, an infinite data stream for our big database. So thank you, and I hope you will join our journey.
Thank you very much, Joseph, for the interesting presentation. I saw in the background materials that you already have some preliminary sales. What I wanted to ask you is how are you implementing the feedback that you have already collected from your existing customers?
Okay, so first of all, we are working hand by hand with our customers and users of the technology. We are asking and getting their feedbacks, and we are developing the features for the version 2 and version 3 as I described in our presentation. Some of the users are looking for new features such as the disease detection and animal behavior. So this is exactly how we are implementing this. Because we develop the system that we can control it from here, whatever it will be located around the globe, we can implement new features directly to the system under the sea level without much of a trouble.
Okay, thank you very much. The second question is that I know that there are many companies that develop products for real-time monitoring, also of aquaculture and the related fields. The question is, how did you learn from others' experience in this field in order to build what you expect to be the best model to approach the market?
Okay, so basically, if we are looking on the aquaculture industry, which is very, let's say, traditional one, the technological means are, you can almost count them on one hand. But the competitors that are trying to give an answer to to the challenge that we are giving the answer they mistake by the approach they went to the market. They designed portable devices which force the farmer to go to the cage with the same boat, with the same crew, but instead of sampling the fish by hand, now they are sampling the fish with electronic devices. We designed a whole system with a standalone system that stationary on every cage or every pond or every earth tank, and collect the data in a continuous mode. Submit the data to the cell phone, to PC or any electronic device, so the farmer doesn't need to have any extra effort to get the data. The data flows to his devices and system automatically. So this is the new concept, and we also build an affordable business model, so the farmer doesn't need to have high level of investment in capital in equipment, so we can subscribe for the data, and with the remainder of the money, he can invest in the cages, stock more cages, feed more, and expand his operation instead of investing in high technology.
Thank you very much, Joseph.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you, Josef and Ronen. You know the drill. It's time to vote.